In this exciting video, you will discover the following: how to earn money on Warriorplus step by step, how to find products to promote for yourself, and the top traffic sources to promote Warriorplus offers to be able to make money online. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because this will be value-packed content like this in the nearby future as well. And keep watching this video to the very end because I'm going to give you a free gift that's going to help you on your online journey as a new affiliate online. And let's get started into today's video right now. So to get started with this method, what you want to do is you want to type in warriorplus.com and it's going to pull up to this page right here. Then from here, you want to go right here to sign up for free and you'll create your account and password and sign up for a free account on warriorplus.com. So there's two different ways you can find products to promote in Warriorplus. The first way is you can go right here to marketplace and you can scroll down until you see categories. And what categories means is that the different types of niches that you can potentially make money online with, such as like maybe marketing, education, platforms, industries, software, services, and others. And you can select from like maybe market education, you can choose like maybe affiliate marketing, email marketing, copywriting, and so on and so forth. Now the second way you can find a product, which is my favorite way of doing it, is you can go right here to affiliates and you can go right here to offers. And the reason why I like choosing this method of finding products is simply because you can show the release date, how much sales is making, the conversion rate, the visitor value, average sale, and the refund rate. All these are very important information when you're choosing a product to be able to make money with Warriorplus step by step. So from here, what you would do is you want to find a basic product that's getting very good conversion rate and making a good amount of sales with and has a very average sale rate. So what I mean by conversion rate is maybe like you take 100 people to your website and it maybe like 8% converting. So out of every 8 people that goes to your product, they're most likely going to buy your product online. So you see right here, maybe like the secret email system converting at 8%. This product right here, Coin Live, is converting at 12%. Maybe this product right here, Affiliate One Deal a Day, is converting at 22%. So as you can see, this one right here is on the average sale is making $30. This was making $40, and this one was making $18 per sale online. And you want to make sure the refund rate is like maybe close to 0. Now to get your affiliate to promote an offer, what you want to do is maybe you want to select this part right here, the click engine, to get 100% buyer traffic. What you want to do is you want to go right here to request. Then once you click request, it's going to take you to this page right here. As you see, you must be approved by J. Amen to approve this offer, and you'll go right here to request approve. And then from here, you're going to have a question note is optional. You can simply just click request, or you can put in something like, hey, I am interested in promoting this offer on social media maybe. And then from here, what you can do is go right here to request offer, and then he might accept it ASAP, or he might accept it later on when he gets the email once you send the request. And once you do that, then you're most likely going to get accepted, and then you can get your affiliate to promote this offer. Now, one thing that most people are not going to tell you is that the overview, the funnel map, and the product. Now, the reason why you want to check this out is because you want to see if it has upsells and downsells, because what this means is that you can potentially make more money with this product if your customer that you send traffic to later on this video, that traffic source I showed you, that you can make more money online with. So you see right here, this is the main page of the click engine sales funnel, and then this have upsell, and then has another upsell. Then you have, see right here the lines, this like brownish kind of line, that means downsells, and the blue line means upsells. So you want to see it have upsells and downsells for this affiliate product so you can make more money online. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you comment down below value so I know you're enjoying this video so far and liking this video. So the next step, which you would do after Warriorplus, you find a product, is you want to create a landing page. Now, there's two different ways I'm going to show you. There's a free method and there's a paid method. So the free way I'm going to show you is simply you can go to a website called Linktree and you can simply create your account for free. You just go right here to sign up for free and create your landing page. And you see right here, you're going to have your profile picture and you're going to have your links just like this. Maybe your products you get promoted on your landing page for free to be able to make money with Warriorplus. So the next landing page software you can use is Builderall. This is a paid version where all you got to do is simply create an account on here and sign up for their free trial, or you can go with their monthly plan up to $80 per month. This is the best option I advise you to go with because you get more tools in here, such as like Cheetah Website Builder, A/B split test. You can split your landing pages and so on and so forth when you're promoting Warriorplus offers to be able to make money. So this is why I'm giving you this landing page software if you want to go with the pay route. Now, the next step, what you do from here is that you want to get traffic to your offer so you can be able to make money. There's 5 different traffic sources I'm going to show you. You can get traffic for free to be able to make money with Warriorplus. Now, the first one is simply YouTube. So YouTube, what you can do is type in maybe your offer, the click engine review, and you can see people are writing views about this topic, like real buyer traffic, and all you're doing is like showing the details of the modules of what they get. And once the people buy that offer, even though it's not getting a lot of views, it's very targeted of people who's actually trying to buy this. So let's say, for example, you got 100 people out of 623 views. That's a lot of money, because this is target traffic, and it's not like a general traffic of broad people just scrolling through, maybe see what it's all about, because this is an actual view and people are trying to buy this, right? So this is why I'm showing this example on YouTube. Then the next traffic source you can use is like Instagram. This is a personal page of me, but you don't have to do this. You can write a simple Instagram review about your product, and you can simply like do reels about your product and describe what it's all about and the features and the benefits they're gonna get and so on and so forth. And you can get a lot of views just like how I'm getting right here. Then the next traffic source you can use is TikTok. Now TikTok, you can basically do the same thing like you see in the my Instagram page. I'm just posting the same thing and just repost on here, and you can basically do the same thing and show your products, your details, and what you're talking about, and so on and so forth on TikTok. Then the next traffic source, the fourth traffic source you can use, is a platform called Facebook groups. Now on Facebook groups, what you're going to do is that you're going to simply provide value to your target audience on here, because simply the product we're talking about is click engine based of real buyer traffic. People are trying to increase the traffic in their business, so we want to target maybe the keyword digital marketing, because this is probably going to be business owners that want that product so they can increase the traffic, so they can help them get more leads and more sales in their business, right? So we want to provide value in these groups. You can join these groups, maybe just like this one right here, public group for 245 members, and you're going to provide value, and then you're going to like pitch them your offer by selling these people in your DMs on Facebook groups to be able to make money. Now the last traffic source I want to show you is Facebook Reels. Now you probably haven't heard of this method, because this is an underground method that's not a lot of people using. I'm personally using it for myself. That's why I'm showing you Facebook Reels. And on Facebook Reels, this is similar to like Instagram Reels, TikTok short video that's getting a lot of views on a daily basis that you can use and take advantage of yourself. So this is a little example right here. Maybe like all you got to do is like maybe post a post like this, maybe like on Instagram like I showed you, and repost it on Facebook Reels, and you can have like hashtags, the description, and all you gotta do is post a maybe 15 or 30-second video, and you can start getting traffic instantly. Now since you stay to the very end of this video, I'm going to give you my personal free ebook to help you make money online with affiliate marketing, because I know how it is to struggle as a new affiliate, don't know where to go, overwhelmed with new information, and consuming everything you see online from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and any other social media platform you probably use. So this is why I'm giving my free ebook that you get all the information and all in one place by somebody that has done affiliate marketing and made money. So this is why I'm giving my free ebook, and all you gotta do is click the second link in my description. It will be there for you to grab your ebook online. And if you want more content just like this, make sure you check out these 2 videos on screen, because once you check out these 2 videos on screen, I'm also going to show you more ways how you can start making money online from the comfort of your own home. And it's your boy Darius, and I'm checking out. And always remember, be the boss, don't get boss.